Hi, I'm Garry Crawford from Sydney. I'm a competition spearfisherman. I love diving the east coast of New South Wales, and this is my 565 story. I weighed up all the pros and cons, and they came out on tops. Being a competitive spearfisherman, that was the prime use of the boat. But now I've got 4 grandchildren, another 2 are on the way. I wanted to be able to have a boat that was functional. I could go out spearfishing and be competitive, do a bit of line fishing, and then take the grandkids out of a weekend around the harbour or around the rivers. And this ticked all the boxes I could possibly want for it. I felt like I was the only client that Edencraft had, the only person that they had a boat building for me. I'd just like to thank Edencraft